surface dirty. Take it for a little wash. What's up? What do you have tomorrow?
An important basketball game.
Not an important basketball game, just a basketball game. Listen, there's only one Josh Brolin in this group. And it's me. It's not. I wish it was. Have you seen the new Deadpool trailer? He's badass in it. I've never wished to be Josh Brolin more in my entire life. Even in Everest, when he loses his f***ing nose. Rock, rock, rock. River. The amazing thing about this river is that it's clear enough to drink it. We're putting in aqua tabs, but it's gorgeous. You want to skip stones? Sam, how did you get up here?
It didn't look that cool.